Fly Babies. Hello, my lions. Hello, my patrons. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday, and so we have a 3-layer cake. We have, oh, I didn't polish my nails yet because it's really Saturday for me when I'm making this video. But our 3-layer cake is routines. That's right. Second on Wednesday, planning a desk day. Very good. Third, in the week that we're in zone 2, the kitchen. Correct. Okay, let's start with our morning routines. Get up before the family. Let's do your morning routine, which will involve making your bed, brushing your teeth, washing your face, moisturizing your skin, swishing the sink, swiping the sink, swishing the toilet, wipe the sink out and swish your toilet. If you wear it, put on jewelry, makeup, and or perfume. Get your clothes on, put your pajamas away, go into the kitchen, empty the dishwasher or dish rack. I'm telling you, if you'll do this every morning and not have somebody else empty it later, oh, that's the kids' job, they do it after school, you will not have dishes in your sink, which is a definite negative. If you want your kids to empty the dishwasher, then you don't have to empty it right then. Emptying the dishwasher takes that long if it's organized when you put it in there. Glasses on the top, dishes on the bottom, all the forks in this holder, all the spoons in this holder, all the knives in this holder. If you can teach them to do that, it'll be easier for them to put them away. They don't have to. You can have them all mixed up, but they only have 5 minutes to empty the dishwasher as part of their morning routine. You can do that. I don't care, but I do care that you don't do it, that you don't have it happen in the morning, and that you don't run your dishwasher at night or wash your dishes at night. I really care, because it's going to make a difference in the way your whole house looks. This is the area, the heartbeat of the home. It sets the tone. Okay, so little breakfast, go in there and wake the kids up. Kids, make your bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, wipe out the sink, hang up your towel, comb your hair, put your jammies in the dirty clothes or in your drawer or under your pillow or wherever. Get your clothes on, come to the kitchen, enjoy breakfast, plus your little chore that you have them do, whatever little chore that is that takes that long. It could be emptying the dishwasher. It could be feeding the hamster. I don't care. It's your call. You're the CEO. Okay, next, we're going to go to school. All right, if you have school-age kids, they're going out the door, or they're going to sit down and have their homeschooling, or you've got babies that you're going to take to daycare because you work, or you're at home. Okay? Now, if you work, you're going to feel happy knowing that everything's been done and you're on your way to work. When you get to work, you're going to think about that weekly home blessing hour. There's, you've already done yours for the weekend. They've done 2, so it's the 3rd one or 4th. Okay, there's a total of 6. So pick something for them to do. Make sure you tell them you're coming home and you know that they've done a great job and you're going to check to make sure it was done. So if it's wipe the glass or mop or whatever, they can do this. They can. And you make it easy because you know why? We want it to be easy for us, so we have an easy kind of mop, right? It's you pull the trigger and push it around. We have an easy kind of vacuum. It's not gigantic and heavy and it breaks your back when you use it. The kids can even use it, right? So I know you can do this. I know you can delegate. I know this is hard for you. Please do it. If you're a perfectionist, then pray to God that you won't be perfectionistic with your children, because it's a very cruel way to be, okay? And just know that it's good enough and that they have blessed your home, keyword blessed your home, by contributing. Okay, so it's Wednesday. What do we have on our things besides routines? And for those that you're working, you have to think about that basic weekly plan. Well, for Wednesday, it is desk day, desk and planning day, or planning and desk day. So before you go to work, I hope you're listening to this while you're doing your morning routine. I want you to go open the fridge, throw out anything that's been in there over 3 days that's not worth eating, and think about keeping that in there in the future, or how you're going to use it up in the future, instead of just parking it there instead of getting rid of it right away. Okay, what leftovers can you use up this week in your menu? What do you need? All right, then go look in your freezer and in your pantry. Rotate out your things. Now make up your menu. And you can't make it up right now if you're working, but you can make it up at work. So you've got a mental idea of what's in there, or you took a picture of it, or you wrote some things down, whatever helps you. Also, when you work, I want you to go to your desk, and I want you to pull out those things that require your action, your to-do list of things that you got out of your paper. Put that in your purse because you're going to handle that on your lunch hour. You're also going to balance your checkbook today, look at your budget today, make your grocery list up today, and check to make sure your debit card and your credit card doesn't have anything weird on it, okay? And you're going to check your bills to make sure they're either auto-paid or that it's not due yet. Because I said before, when you get a paper bill, if you choose to pay by paper bill, you need a list that says, these are the bills that I get every month and these are when they're due. You know what? I didn't get my light bill this month. I better call them and find out how much it is and tell them I didn't get it, because they expect it to be paid whether you got it or not. They don't care. They put it in the mail. That's all they're committed to. Okay, next thing is your budget. Remember, stick to your budget. Remember to spend less than you budgeted for. That is a great way to empower yourself, right? And to know that you can live on less, and to help you get your bills paid off. You know, there's nothing better in this world than having your house paid for, than having your bills, no bills. Do you know how much money you would have if all you had were your regular everyday things that you have to have gas for the car and lights and pay your taxes and things like that? You don't have to pay a home mortgage payment, or you don't have to pay credit card bills or a car payment. What could you do with that money? Could you save it? Could you have enough for vacation this year? You know, even when you don't have debt, you still want to have a budget. Okay, enough of that. All right, so today we've talked about our morning routines. We've talked about what you do at work today. At home, we're going to do the same thing. Our second thing after our morning routine, we're going to start our laundry, go through an inch of paper, and then we're going to do number 2, which is planning a desk day. So you're going to also go to the fridge, pantry, and freezer, make your grocery list, make your menu, go to your desk, take care of your action items, check your budget, check your checking account, check your credit card, your debit card, your bills. That's what you're going to do. Okay, if you are, okay, that's enough. I'm not going to say if on that one. Let's go forward. Okay, next thing is the zone. We're in zone 2, the kitchen. So after you've done that part, you're going to go straight into your kitchen and work for 10 minutes cleaning something. So yesterday, or Monday, we did the cabinets. So today, let's work on the top of the refrigerator. Have you cleaned that off lately? If you haven't, get your step stool, be safe, take things down carefully. Are they greasy? Do they need to be wiped off, degreased, washed? How about the top of the fridge? What are all those papers from the kids that are doing up there? Is that your Sunday bulletin? Let's clean that off, okay? Let's make that nice and clean. And maybe you can keep things up there that you will actually use. That will be good. All right, next thing we're going to do is our 3 clutter checks. So 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon at some point, and one before bed. We're also, with children, going to inspect what we expect. We're clutter checking ourselves as well to make sure that we are completing our process. And then we have our after dinner routine and our before bed routine. We're looking at our planner twice, in the morning and at night, adjusting as needed, and planning our next day out based on that, and renewing our information about today in the morning, and replanning tomorrow, okay? That's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.